Okay, hello English 101 students. I apologize for my previous messages which have been kind of scatterbrained and vague and not very clear. So this one's going to be hopefully better. I've got notes this time instead of just talking off the top of my head. So, okay, first thing, what's left? Okay, there are 16 work days left of the semester and 3 Saturdays. I'm not going to count the number of classes we have anymore because we don't need to meet. I don't think I'm ever going to schedule a time where we all 26 or 24 of us have to be on the computers at the same time or in the same place at the same time. We're just going to assume that everybody's got their own schedules, and so don't worry about our 7:45 or 9 o'clock class times because we're not going to be able to make that happen, I don't think. There's a few people who are going to have spotty internet, so Zoom meetings and things like that aren't really going to work. So in that 3.5 weeks, we have 2 Vote With Your Bodies. I've already contacted the people who are in charge of Vote With Your Body. They're going to get me their statements. What we're going to do is make a Google survey like we've done in class. So we'll have a Likert scale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is agree and disagree, and you get to put yourself where you want based on their polarizing statements. So we'll see that. We'll be able to see the results compiled. Then what I'm going to do is give us a Google Doc that we can go in and justify why we said what we did for each of them. So it'll be 2 parts, and I think that's going to work out okay. We don't all have to be in the same place at the same time. So that's that one. We've got an email scenario left. So I'm thinking next week, probably around Wednesday, what I'm going to do is post an email scenario on a discussion board, and I'm going to have you guys answer it that day. Then I will do like a screen capture thing where I go through the emails and talk about what was good and what was bad in those. So, okay, so here's some things that are changing now, things that are different. I have added a new thing. Tomorrow you will be assigned a set of peer reviews that you have to do. So you're going to be assigned 4 other people's Change Something Up essays. Okay? What you're going to need to do, I'm going to have a video at the end of this video. I'm just going to tack it on to the end, and you're going to see how the peer review system works. You're going to be able to comment on each other's things. I'll have the rubric provided for you so you can be reminded of what I'm looking for in the paper and use that to make comments on the introduction, methods, results, discussion sections of the paper, and talk about the vivid details and the story structure in the results section and on the research, right? Those are the main things that we're looking for in this paper. So you'll be able to look at those and comment on 4 other people's papers. So we're going to take time to do that. Another thing that's changing is in the syllabus it says that you're going to be doing a final project. I'm going to way simplify that down. It's kind of complicated to begin with, so all that's going to be is just a final reflection paper. I feel like I'm out of focus. So that final project is just going to be a final reflection. I'll send you a set of questions and have you answer them and then write a little extra to make sense of this semester, what you learned, what you're going to carry with you, things like that. So rather than be the final project, it's going to be just this final reflection thing. Much easier. I'm working on your feedback right now for your papers, so expect that within a week, I think. I'm just at home now. I don't have to plan classes anymore, so hopefully I'll be able to get it done pretty quick. So you'll see the peer reviews from your peers, from other people in the class, and then from me, and that's what you're going to use to revise to turn in the final attempt. We're going to keep the same due date for the final. Okay, and that's everything. So again, I'm going to tack this peer review video onto the end of this video right now. You're going to watch that. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm trying to be up to date on checking my email in the inbox of iLearn. I hope your families are well. I hope things are safe for you guys. I miss you. It's been really fun hanging out with you and having conversations, and I'm, sad that we don't get to do that anymore. So, okay, I'll talk to you soon, and here's the peer review video for you right now.
In this video, you will learn how to add comments on submissions, submit a peer review, and view peer review feedback on your own assignments. To learn more about this topic, visit the Canvas guides at guides.canvaslms.com. Additionally, permissions vary between users and institutions, so what you see in this video may be different from what you see in Canvas. To complete a peer review, first open the peer review assignment. In the submission box on the sidebar, you will see assigned peer reviews. Click the name of one of the assigned peers to begin reviewing. If you do not see your assigned peer reviews, you may need to submit your own assignment first. To view the submission, click the View Feedback link. If there is a rubric to be used for grading, click the Show Rubric link and fill it out as you review the assignment. Click Save Comment to save your rubric ratings. You may also be able to add comments directly on the peer review submission if Doc Viewer has been enabled and the assignment is compatible. Within the Doc Viewer toolbar, you can click the Comment button to leave a point or free text comment on the submission. You also have the option to create a drawing, highlight text, or strike out text. To delete a comment, hover over the comment in the sidebar and click the Delete link. Then click OK. To delete an annotation, first select the annotation, then press the Delete key and confirm deletion. To leave a general submission comment, type in the comment box. You can also leave a media comment or attach a file. Then click Save. You can view peer review feedback in a few places in Canvas. First, you can visit your course homepage to view feedback in the sidebar under Recent Feedback. Click the assignment name to be taken to the Submission Details page and to view the rubric details and full comments. You can also view peer review feedback on the sidebar of the appropriate assignments page. Click the Submission Details link to view the peer review details. If you uploaded a Word, PDF, Excel, or PowerPoint file for your submission, and the reviewer made comments on your document, click the View Feedback link to view the peer review comments directly on your file. Click the Show Rubric link to view the rubric ratings, if the instructor has included a rubric, and view the full peer review comments on the sidebar. You've now completed this tutorial video on peer reviews. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, just visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.